What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So first and foremost, first video of 2020. I haven't made a video since maybe like Christmas. So this is my first video, of course, coming into the new year. So going into the video, the title, of course, the purple overload makeup look. Basically, it's gonna be purple everywhere, basically, as you can tell, just sing from the thumbnail. And if you guess just from the title name, just purple, everything purple eyeshadow, purple highlights, purple lip, and all of that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go in with this Makiage concealer, and I'm just gonna use it as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend it out using the Miss A Wonder blender. And as you can see, of course, my brows are already done, which I've used the Fenty Brow MVP eyebrow pencil. And I'm just gonna go in with this LA Girl concealer, just to add a little bit more on my lids for a base, and just blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the Kylie Jordyn palette, and the first shade I'm gonna use is What If, and I'm just gonna take that pretty much and just put it all over, just to set the concealer that's on my eyes. So that's all I'm gonna do here. And I'm using a Morphe brush. I'm not sure which one that is. I'll put it down below though, but Morphe brush. The next shade I'm gonna go into is called True Love, which is like a nude shimmer shade. And I'm kind of going to use that as like transitions a little bit, even though you can barely see it. But I'm basically using it in my crease and then up to like my brow bone and all that. So yeah. So the next shade that I'm going into is called Soulmate. Using that same Morphe brush. I honestly think this is a 334, but I could be wrong. Like I said, I'm going to put it down below. But yeah, Soulmate, which is like a really light lilac purple type shade. So using this brush that I got from Walmart, I'm gonna go into My Heart, which is this really pretty purple grape shade, and I'm just gonna use that like in my crease and just kind of work it up just a little bit. And as you can see, it's kind of going on like a little light, so I am gonna go into that shade a couple times just to build that color up to my liking. So this next shade is like this deep purple wine burgundy shade, and this is a pencil brush that I'm using. I'll leave my brushes down below, but this is a Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna put that shade like on the outer part of my eye using this brush, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, now going back into that gold brush, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna blend that. That shade is actually called Love You Bitch. So I'm just gonna blend that shade into My Heart even better, and just blend those two together. And then I'm just gonna use the LA Girl concealer. I'm not cutting my crease, but I'm just putting that on my lid. That way, whenever I lay that shade down that I'm gonna put down, it'll be like a clean slate. And then I'm just gonna go back into that first shade, which was Soulmate. This is a Morphe brush also, and I'm just gonna pat that on top. And this next shade is Wild Love, which is a pretty shimmer shade. And I'm just going to use my finger just to apply that shade on top of Soulmate with. Now I'm just going to speed through this part. For my face, I'm just going to use the Pure this is a pure primer. I think it's a 4-in-1 primer, and then I'm gonna use the PhotoReady. I think that's the name of it. I'll leave everything down below, but I've been using these two lately because I've been wanting to try something new, and I do like this combo together. I think they're both really good products. So. And then I'm going to use this Amuse Cosmetics liquid liner that I got from Miss A. And it was only $1. And it's a really, really good liquid liner to use. So I do recommend it. And this is the Skin Finish, Skin Frost, something like that. That I got from MAC. And that's what I'm going to be using like to highlight with. So for lips, first thing I'm going to do is line my lips with Bounce from AOA Studios, just from Miss A. It's only $1, and it's a really good liner. And then I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Scorpio. And then only in the center, I'm going to go in, this is Lime Crime. I think Moonstone is the name of the shade. And voila, of course. So this is the finished look. Ignore my hair. It is time for me to take my braids out. I've just been lazy on doing it. But yeah, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys can see it. I hope the lighting isn't too bad because I'm filming with natural light, which I haven't done since I did like my first YouTube video or whatever. But I'm trying to film with the natural light and all of that. But yeah, so this is the complete look. I'm mad I got not eyeshadow, foundation on my shirt. But yeah, so it's purple all over. Look, if you guys like this purple look, which is really pretty, actually, I really do love this. The first time I did this look, I did it completely different, but the second time I love the outcome of it. This is really cute. If you guys like this look, of course, thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed for more videos. I do have more things coming. Of course, for my YouTube channel, I have some new things that I am just doing, period, that I'm going to introduce to you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thumbs up and subscribe. Of course, leave a comment down below if you like. Follow me on social media, which of course will be in the description box. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in future videos, of course, and I'll see you guys later.